Welcome everyone, I'm your host Bryce Dolan and this is the Top Intelligence Agency's Review. And today on the show, we have a story about Arctic operations from the United States Army. According to the US Army, airborne soldiers jumped into Alaska's Arctic tundra on Wednesday, just a few miles from the Arctic Ocean in minus 30-degree temperatures, with a wind chill factor of minus 56 degrees. Their mission? A satellite had crashed in a remote area and had to be recovered quickly, since it carried sensitive data and equipment and could cause a national security threat if it fell into the wrong hands, said Colonel Jeffrey Crapo, U.S. Army Alaska Director of Operations. While the primary goal of the exercise was finding and recovering the simulated satellite, the exercise's most crucial aspect was actually the freezing temperatures, which tested the soldiers' ability to operate in the frigid cold. Now, all 150 soldiers who flew in the Air Force C-130 and C-117 aircraft had already received cold weather indoctrination training, which meant they knew how to move in snowshoes and skis and could set up a 10-man Arctic tent and stove. Now, the most difficult part of the jump was dropping from an aircraft at about 1,200 feet and moving at 200 miles per hour through the freezing air, he said. A few soldiers contracted frostbite, but were swiftly evacuated in small unit sustainment vehicles and Chinook helicopters, as safety was paramount to the training. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just one example of many of what the United States Army is doing to keep the soldiers ready to fight in all kinds of conditions. And what a memorable experience. If you go back and look at this article yourself by clicking on the link I provided for you below in the description, you can go through and see quotes from soldiers who say they will always remember this jump because it was just one in a million. They will never get a chance like this again. Hopefully, they will never have to do it again in a real life situation. But again, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to check out this article yourself, you can find the link to it below in the description. It'll take you directly to this article on the US Army website. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, give our Facebook pages a like, and follow us on Twitter. But that does it for our Top Intelligence Agency's review. Thank you for watching. I was your host, Bryce Dolan.